Today we are going to learn about create a 3D model from 2D geometry by help of 2D sketch tools on Extrude. And this tutorial is basically for beginners who want to learn CAD step by step from basic. Please don't skip and watch full video to learn CAD from basic on Extrude. So welcome to AB Design Studio. I hope you will enjoy this video. In this tutorial you will learn about some basic tools of Extrude. Let's start this tutorial. Go to sketch. Here the create sketch window is open. In this sketch type on path or plane in which we create a sketch. So here we have to select a plane and sketch coordinate system. This you can see this plane method, invert new plane, reference is the horizontal or vertical. You can choose this. Origin method is this by point or use work part origin. We have to draw this 2D geometry. So start a rectangle of 60 and here you can see this there are radius 15. So this width is also a 30 mm because all dimensions are in millimeters. So we are also drawing in millimeters. So let's start drawing. Select rectangle, start from origin, existing point, a roughly rectangle is drawn. Now we have to dimension it by choose rapid dimension. Here select object, give dimension 60 mm. Here giving dimension 30 mm. Okay, our rectangle is now completed. Next we have to create this arc and circle. After that we have to remove this sharp edges by using a chamfer tools. So we have to choose this arc tool, and arc method is the arc by center and midpoints. So to find midpoint, then select endpoints. Our arc is now completed. Cross this. Now after that we select a circle, choose a midpoint, define 15 mm. Okay, our now circle is created. After that we have to chamfer this sharp edges by select here a chamfer, a sharp corner between two sketch. Okay, select this. Here the window is open. Select lines. Okay. Now dimension, define the dimension. Here you can see the chamfer, symmetric, asymmetric, offset and angle. Asymmetric, giving by 2 dimension 9 and 9. Here you can see this 9 and 9 both are same. So we can use or we can select as a symmetric because both dimensions are same. So put this dimension is a 9 mm. Our chamfer is now created. Then we have to same process repeated. Again other chamfer is created. Our 2D geometry is now complete. But we have to eliminate this line, but better to eliminate this line, we have to convert to a reference, in which we okay, now our geometry is completed, but here a message show sketch is fully constructed with 3 auto dimension. Okay, our sketch is not constraint yet. We have to constraint this sketch by giving some dimension. Okay, select this. We have to put constraint as a horizontal. Okay, now we have to this, convert to a vertical. No, putting. Okay, here we have to dimension this arc. Method is radical, so select radical, but after apply this, our time geometry is now our constraint, so we have to remove this dimension by non-driving convert. Okay, we have to convert this to a non-driving. Now we have to take. Okay, here you can see this, our fault is here. We have to fix this problem by applying some constraint. So select a geometrical constraint. Here we can see here different type of constraint we can apply: coincident, point on curve, tangent, parallel. Better we have to select coincident. Okay, select. Okay, our sketch is now fully constant with 2 auto dimension. Okay, one more. Okay, here you can see this, or chamfer is not constant here. Okay, now we have to constrain this chamfer to putting dimensions. Select rapid dimension. Okay, yeah, the method we have to change invert. Select point. Okay, have to give this a 9. Select. Okay, then point select. Geometry show constraint. Now geometry show constraint. Okay, now we have to constraint this side. So select 9 mm. Okay, our sketch is now fully constrained. Successfully we created a 2D geometry. After that we have to finish this sketch. Now we have to extrude this 2D geometry into a 3D by select extrude. Here you can see the window is open. We have to select a section curve as this. Okay, now define the direction, already defined. Now we have to distance, we have to put a thickness. Yeah, you can see this 9 mm thickness, so we have to put 9 mm. Okay, 9 mm. After that, boolean box, there is a option, we have to choose none. Okay, our first process is now complete. After that, we have to jump into next process. Next process is to create this area. We have to this area. Okay, again we have to draw in top bottom and top plane. So we have to go to this, then we have to go to again sketch, select this plane, then okay. Now we have to draw only this part, so better to this part, so we have to draw it. Here we use some special tool for draw this part. Here we have to draw for this part, we have to use project curve. By projecting curve, automatically project this edge to this plane. No, we're wrong. We'll go to this. Actually we have to project curve. Okay, same project curve, select. Okay, our arc is now ready. Again we have to project this circle, so again go to project curve, select this. Actually our full body is selected, but we don't want to select full body, so we have to change this from infer curve to single curve. Now select this circle. Okay, now internal circle is also created. After that we have to create a line here and giving dimension 18. Then select a line, draw from this to this and change to this to vertical. Now we have to dimension this. Mm. Okay, after that we have to connect this from this, again from this to this. Now our sketch is now fully constant. Also geometry is ready to extrude. Now we have to extrude. Here we have to extrude this 30 mm from the bottom, but we have now 9 mm already extruded, so we have to subtract this from 30, remaining 20 mm. We have to put this 20 mm. Okay, then we have to change this from none to unit. Okay, our second part is also completed, remaining a third part. This wedge is a third part. We have to draw it from center. For this we have to generate this third part. We have to draw from front plane, so we have to select front plane. Here we have to draw in this middle but here there is no plane in middle, so we have to generate a plane in middle position. So we have to generate plane. We have to select a datum plane here. Now we have to choose side, direction. We have to choose opposite. Here you can see the distance giving by 50 mm because the total width is 30 mm. Now okay, our plane is created. Now I have to choose select. Now select a plane. Okay, now we have to draw this triangle. Okay, select profile toolbar for continuous draw. Our triangle is ready and sketch is also fully constant. Don't need any dimension because already created this. Okay, we have to now extrude this. Select a section curve. Direction is already selected. Here we have to change this value to symmetric value, and now see, you can see here the width is 7 mm, so we have to put this because you have to select a symmetric value, so I have to put 3.5. okay, boolean is united. Okay, our model is now completed. You can see this. Now model is completed. Model is done. Now we have applied some color to look realistic. I have to save this model by click file, save as desktop. Here we have to create a folder. Name this sketch. Part 1.